Yo, what's up? Angelo here and welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video guys, gusto ko lang mag-share kasi this is the day na magpapalit ako ng seat cover ni Johnson, and that is with G-Spot upholstery dito sa may Sumulong Highway. So almost 2 weeks yung preparation para dito sa seat cover na to, and ready na siya. So samahan nyo ako, puntahan natin ang G-Spot upholstery para ma-install na siya dito kay Johnson. So ayun guys, finally na-installed na yung ating car seat cover dito kay Johnson, and very satisfied ako sa result ng pagka-fit niya. So thank you so much G-Spot upholstery. And siya nga pala guys, itong leather na ginamit sa kay Johnson ay US Deluxe leather. So may 2 years warranty siya, and may 2 neck pillow na libre. So message na lang kayo kung interested kayo magpagawa din ng car seat cover sa inyong sasakyan. So G-Spot upholstery. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye for now.